Residents in Hamilton Gardens in St. Catherine are upset this evening following the death of a teenager. They say his life could have been saved if the JPS and the fire brigade responded sooner. We have more in this report. A teenaged boy electrocuted to death by a Jamaica Public Service JPS power line. The boy was picking mangoes from this tree in Hamilton Gardens, Portmore, St. Catherine Sunday morning. He has been identified as 16-year-old Tyrese Winter of Christian Penn in the parish. According to reports, Tyrese and two other boys went to pick mangoes in the community. He climbed the tree while the others were supposed to catch the fruits. However, he was electrocuted after he came in contact with JPS high-tension wires.
Basically, come to the tree because I'm saying that you ready to run on the other corner, there are two them run away. But when I see that, I say to myself, basically, when I see the segment of what we look in the wire up on the tree there and the youth up there hanging down. And a couple of hours after they were trying for balling for help, nobody could really assist him basically to what really taking place up there with him. So everybody gets scared and then back away. The kind of try if he makes him could make a reason, but he got him hold on the wire, it seems, and then it grounds. And so come get the leak. And from right here, yes, he got the
The residents are upset, claiming that Tyrese's life could have been saved if the police, the fire brigade, and the JPS responded sooner.
Before he chucked up. See me ask the policeman that 2 hours in there. Wicked and wicked. 3 hours you and I see. Any current on a joint off a tree. And then make the youth then. Go them for go, man. Then make the youth that 3 hours youth in a tree. And then come and talk us and look up and look at tree. And a big picture.
It's understood that Tyrese was stuck in the mango tree for more than 3 hours. The residents told TVJ News that the police took an hour to arrive on the scene. The firefighters took 2 hours and JPS personnel 3 hours.
We really want to question the response time of JPS when it comes to these situations and for us to understand the protocol that is observed whenever these calls are received. Because if what we are hearing that the JPS took over 3 hours to come and to respond, nothing that the police could have done, nothing that the fire department could have done until the tree is neutralized.
District Officer Fritz McKenzie of the Waterford Fire Station says the emergency call only asks them to remove a dead body from a tree.
We'll get into operation and assist by getting him out the tree. We further hear that he was electrocuted in the tree.
President of the Hamilton Gardens Citizens Association, Delroy Dobney, says calls have been made to the JPS to clear several power lines in the community.
It's significantly important that in the summer when our kids are out and about and trying to retrieve mangoes in various trees, it is important that they do some proactive action in assessing the situation with these trees, as is a responsibility that they have to ensure that their power lines are not in touch with these trees.